What's going on, Tesla fam? Today I fucked up. So I was moving this truck right here out of the way, and when I'm not using this charger, I would have it right over here on this wheel, right there, because I'm too lazy to put it back in the garage. So when I backed up, I ran over the damn thing. So the cover broke off. So now this right here is completely exposed. I don't know if the water goes in there, that it would cause some problems, but this is the button that you press to open the port. So this is what I have now. But the plug is still good. I replaced the cap with a new one. Okay, so the plug is not damaged, and it's a pretty sturdy construction. But I'm gonna go plug it in real quick and see if it works. Okay, yeah, so it still works. So now I'm just gonna have to figure out if somebody is selling the cover over here that goes right there on top. If not, then what's going on, man? Good, thanks.
Want to put them in the garage or?
I just set it right there.
Right?
No, right there in the trash.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
So, yeah, worst case scenario, I'm just gonna put a tape right up here. Yeah, clean this up and then put a tape over. God. Yeah,